family. Hello, tastemakers. Today we are doing another Christmas gift. Welcome to Vlogmas 2024, where every day up until Christmas I am vlogging or giving us some ideas what we can do each day so that at least by Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, we're not running around acting crazy. We're doing something every day. So today we're doing a Christmas gift. Christmas basket, and it's my version of a Burr basket. You know, the Burr baskets the kids are doing like on TikTok and all of that. So the first item is I'm going to give one of these tumblers, these Starbucks dupe tumblers. We're going to have some hand spray, sanitizer. This is from Bath and Body Works. This was from Bath and Body Works as well. Mostly everything came from Dollar Tree, except for these. They think these. We're going to have a nice little spa headband in there. That's cute. Some Snuggadoo socks. We're having a diffuser. This is mulled cherries. A diffuser. It's beautiful. Everything to make our recipient cool and relaxed and snuggy and warm. And we're putting some turtles in there, their favorite snack. A plush throw. I'm going to have to put a sticker. I'm going to put something on this. But I like the rest of the packaging. I think it's pretty. So I'm going to keep that on there, keep it secure. And they're going to have a nice pillow so they can snuggle up with their blanket. And we're going to put it all in a nice little basket. And this came from Dollar Tree as well. And I put some the craft paper, put tissue paper on top of that, and we're going to need some shred in here to kind of fill in any blanks, okay? All right, so let's start building before my device conks out. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is put the biggest and the tallest item in here. I'm going to put it in the back. Stick it down in there. And this is where I'm going to put the candy in the back here. So they'll have some candy, and then it'll act as a stabilizer as well. Okay. All right, we're going to put our plush throw. And our mug, or our tumbler. Let's see, I have to put some shred there. And that stabilized it. So sometimes when you can't get things to stabilize for you, put some shred in there. Okay, so on the side over here, I'm going to put the headband. And then I want to put the candy in the back because I don't like food around fragrances. This isn't a heavy fragrance, but you know, there could be some transfer from a fragrance to chocolate. So, you know, it's packed well, but you know, that just to protect it a little more. Okay, so here we go. Let's see, where's the rest of my shred here? Make sure that stays put. Let's see, just pull it up a little so you can see a little better. Yeah. Sitting at the table. Okay, I like that. So that is our Christmas Burr basket. Let me hurry up. Okay, so I'm going to put it in a basket bag. You get these from Dollar Tree. Comes with two basket bags. These would be good for anybody. These are good for mom, grandma. She can have some comfy Christmas stuff. And put your bow on there. Put our bow on. And there we go. Isn't that beautiful? This isn't expensive either because this pillowcase was $125. This was $5. Everything else was $125. The Bath and Body Works stuff was like $3.50, $7. So this was probably under $20. The candy was probably, yeah, this is probably $25. And that is not bad. Okay, so we have that one. And since we have a few minutes left, let me show you how you can do a cute little gift basket, a gift for someone that you know they love margaritas. All right, so you can just take a bag. If you don't want people to see the liquor part of it, just, you know, get a craft bag. This is a plastic bag. So I want you guys to see. Get one of these dupes. These what do they call it? These Starbucks dupes. You can put a bunch of candy in the bottom. Now you can, let me show you, you can do it like this, really. We have our little Casamigos. No. If you're not doing it, let me show you two ways to do this one. Just a minute. We got a few minutes left. Okay, we can take our margarita mix. Say we want to give them 3. Okay, so we take their little margarita mix. Instead of using the whole box, we're going to just take 3. I'll put the rum and the tequila in there. We're going to put a whole bunch of candy in here. Let's Make sure the straw gets in there. And then just load it up with candy. And then put a stir. This is a rock candy. Stir. Stick it in a bag. Just give it to them like that. Or, okay, family, we're going to finish this cup off with some cello wrap. I got a roll of cello wrap from Dollar Tree. Just take enough, cover it up. Smooth it up as much as possible. Smooth all of this up, and then make a bow. All of this, the bow and the gift tag came from Dollar Tree. And that's a very handsome gift. Nobody will have to know everything that's in there except the recipient. They don't have to know you got some rum in there. In the 80s and 90s, we could do that for Christmas, you know, give each other little, you know, like liquor gifts and stuff, you know, on the sly. Don't do that nowadays. Everybody's such snitches nowadays in the workplace. Everybody telling on everybody. We ain't tell on each other every little thing. That's how you do. And do the same thing with the green one. You load the green one up with whatever. And even, I didn't get around to it, but I would recommend like put some peanuts in here and put some like little like Slim Jims and some candy. Just have it assorted, you know, with bar type stuff. Stuff you like. If you know, have a little tequila, you wouldn't mind, you like some little peanuts. But we never drank that stuff at work. You know, you just, because a lot of people I worked with had a lot of vacation. So after our Christmas party, because we would have our Christmas party mid-December, because people with a lot of vacation, we wouldn't see them until after January. So it'd be like a month. So that's why we would, you know, you have to do it. You have to get it while you can, you know, gift them while you can. Okay, so do that. Isn't that cute? That's all we have to do. Do that for a green one. Okay, guys, thanks so much. I appreciate your support. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. I appreciate your support. If you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe. If you like my vibe, hit subscribe. See what we're going to do in 2025. All right, bye. Bye, Mom.